The Amazon rainforest is the largest tropical rainforest in the world. It spans across 9 countries in South America. Home to an estimated 390 billion individual trees. The rainforest is teeming with wildlife. It hosts about 10% of all known species on Earth. The Amazon River runs through this exciting ecosystem. Around $400 billion worth of ecosystem services are provided annually. Deforestation threatens this vibrant habitat. Conservation efforts are crucial to protect this biodiversity. Join the fight to save the Amazon rainforest.